Hey guys, in today's video we're going to upgrade my TRAXXAS TRX4 Bronco. So today we're going to add some bits and pieces to the body, we're going to add some weight, we're going to change the wheels and tires and a lot more. Stay tuned. So guys, in today's video we are going to add some bits and pieces to my TRAXXAS TRX4. So in previous videos I've shown you my complete car and all the things that I've changed already in this car. But today we are going to add some weight and some wheels, and we are going to add some details to the body. So let me put everything aside and show you what we've bought. So let's start with the tires. So the tires are made from aluminium and they've got a very good weight to it. They are actually bead locks and they are holding this very chunky profiled tire on it, and the compound on it feels very nice. So this should stick to the course very well. We have got also some brass. So I already have got a set of those mounted in the front, so those will be mounted in the rear and those two will be added in the front. So we've got some air scoops, some new mirrors, and inside the mirror we are going to fit an LED. We've got an antenna, we've got some hinges, and we've got a new all metal grille. We're going to start with the weights. So these are all the brass weights and they feel amazing. You know, everything fits together perfectly and I really like that. So yeah, let me take the wheels off and start disassembling the front of the car. So the steering assembly has been removed. Now it's time to disassemble all these parts and remove those on each side. Everything is disassembled, now it's time to put all the new parts inside the car. So guys, I'm all done with the front assembly and everything fits perfectly and there's no rubbing of the wheels, so that's pretty nice. So let's continue with the rear side. So the backside is done. Now it's time to add some details to the body, and I'm going to start by adding this metal grille in the front of the car. So guys, the grille is mounted and it looks very nice if you ask me. So now it's time to add some air scoops to the bonnet and to the sides of the car, and yeah, I will come back with you with the results. So guys, I'm all done with all the accessories and everything is mounted in the way that I would like to see it. So first of all, I have added the air scoops on each side. I have added the air scoops on the bonnet or the hood and they're looking pretty nice, I think. Yeah, we've got an antenna right over here and I made a little loop in the end of it so it's less sharp. And behind the grille we have added this chrome plating. Normally the chrome plating also includes some fake fans, but yeah, I don't like the appearance of those, so I didn't install those. And of course we have made the new mirrors. The LEDs are already installed in the mirrors, but I didn't hook them up yet, so yeah, no indicators for now. And the mirrors are actually with real yeah, reflective material, so this is like an iron plate or something, so that's looking pretty nice. If you look at the rear of the car, we have added yeah, the metal hinges, and normally those are stickers, and now we have got some nice metal pieces on there. So let me get the body off and show you what we've done underneath there. So underneath here you can see all the brass that we have installed. So in the front everything is new, and in the rear we have added some extra weight, as you can see over here. And of course we have installed the new rims and the new tires, and the car really has got some weight to it, and I really like the result of it. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Please subscribe to my channel, that really helps, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.